Imagine you're trying to pay for a meal at your favorite restaurant, but you've forgotten your wallet at home. How do you handle the situation? You've probably heard of mobile payment apps that can help you in such situations. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Favepay and explore how this app simplifies your payments. Favepay is a mobile app that allows you to make secure and convenient payments for a wide range of goods and services. Think of it as a digital wallet that you carry in your pocket. It's designed to make your life easier by eliminating the need for cash or cards. How does Favepay work? Setting up your account. The first step is to download the Favepay app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account by providing some basic information. You'll also be asked to link a bank account or credit card to your Favepay wallet. Adding funds. To start using Favepay, you'll need to add funds to your digital wallet. You can do this by transferring money from your linked bank account or by using your credit card. The process is simple and usually takes a few minutes. Making payments. Now, let's get to the fun part, making payments. When you're ready to pay for something, simply open the Favepay app on your phone. You'll see a QR code scanner. Just point your camera at the QR code displayed by the merchant, and the payment will be processed instantly. Security features. One of the biggest concerns for many people when using mobile payment apps is security. Favepay takes security very seriously. The app uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Additionally, you can enable fingerprint or facial recognition authentication for added security. Benefits of using Favepay. There are many benefits to using Favepay. Here are a few. Convenience. No more fumbling for cash or cards. Security. Your financial information is protected. Rewards. Many merchants offer exclusive deals and discounts to Favepay users. Contactless payments. Reduce the risk of spreading germs. Favepay features. Beyond basic payments, Favepay offers several additional features to enhance your experience. Bill payments. Pay your utility bills and other recurring payments directly from the app. Peer-to-peer transfers. Send money to friends and family instantly. In-app deals. Discover exclusive offers and discounts from your favorite merchants. Favepay card. Get a physical Favepay card that you can use like a regular debit card. As you can see, Favepay is a powerful and convenient tool for making payments. Whether you're shopping online or dining out, Favepay can simplify your life. So, why not give it a try? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.